Hi, I'm Michelle. Ninja reached out to me to introduce to you the Ninja Professional Plus series. This series of blenders from Ninja has a modern, sleek design and offers an amazing amount of power. Each also includes Auto IQ programming. With Auto IQ, I can press any programming depending on what I want to make and walk away, do something else in my kitchen, and come back with a perfectly blended drink or smoothie. Depending on what you want to make, there's a version for everybody. Here's what's included when you open the box of your Ninja Professional Plus blender. A 1400 peak watt motor base, 72 ounces of total crushing pitcher with stack blade assembly and lid, which has a 64 ounce max capacity, a recipe and quick start guide, and an instruction booklet. If you want to make your favorite smoothie and pour into a to-go cup for your busy morning, or if you want to host a party and make a batch of margaritas, the Professional Plus blender is the perfect fit. Stepping up to the Professional Plus Duo, you can unlock Ninja's single-serve functionality where you can blend in one of two 24-ounce cups, which is perfect for on-the-go convenience. I personally like to blend my protein shake after my workout and then take it right into the car. These spout lids do not leak. And finally, there is the most premium version, which is the Ninja Professional Plus kitchen system. Everything you'll ever need in a kitchen appliance. Not only can you blend drinks or create your favorite smoothie to bring on the go, you can also chop up your favorite veggies or make cookie dough with the 8-cup food processor. Using this, I'm going to show you how to make a margarita and show you just how awesome these appliances truly are. Place the total crushing pitcher on the base and turn clockwise to lock it in place. Holding the stacked blade assembly by the top of the shaft, insert it into the pitcher. Add your ingredients to the pitcher. Align arrows on the pitcher lid and handle, then lower the handle to lock in place. Select the Auto IQ program to begin. This programming is extremely powerful. It crushes through all ingredients for perfectly blended or processed or chopped, depending on the recipe results. These preset programs combine unique blending and pausing patterns that do all the work for you. Once a preset program is selected, it will start immediately and automatically will stop when the blending is complete. These programs are time-based on the program you press, so you get perfect and consistent results each and every time. If you need to stop blending before the end of the program, press the Auto IQ button you've selected and it will stop. With the total crushing pitcher, I can choose smoothie to blend things like protein shakes, frozen fruits, and yogurt. And with the Ice Crush, I can make milkshakes, margaritas, or daiquiris. With the single-serve cup, the Extract program allows me to extract a drink containing vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits, vegetables, and even seeds. And with the Precision Processor Bowl, I can choose from chop or dough to do things like prep veggies or make pizza dough and even cookie dough. You can also choose from manual programs, low, medium, or high. These programs can be used to have even greater control over the output and texture you're trying to achieve. These programs will run continuously for up to 60 seconds or can be stopped at any point during processing by selecting the program again. Pulse allows you to pulse the way you want. Just make sure to keep your finger on while it's blending. Use short presses for short pulses and long presses for long pulses. Let's check back in on those margaritas. Now that all the blending is done, turn the pitcher counterclockwise and lift to remove. If you're making a drink like I'm making, a margarita, and the liquid is a little thinner, ensure that the lid on the total crushing pitcher is locked in place, then open the pour spout to pour into your glass. If you're making something thick like a smoothie in the total crushing pitcher, press the release button and lift the handle to remove the lid. Then carefully lift out the blade assembly before pouring. A note that the pitcher lid handle will not fold down unless it is attached to the pitcher. Now my recipe is complete and I'm going to enjoy my margarita. Looking for more recipe inspiration or have more questions? Visit ninjakitchen.com to find everything you're looking for. Cheers!